Hi, in this video we are going to study one problem based on the trigonometric identity as well as on the type proof that vale sums, means where you have to prove LHS equal to RHS. See, this problem is very important for the 10th standard students of Maharashtra State Board, that is for SSC students. So let's start to solve this problem. Here we are going to start with the left hand side of the problem. So let's write it down first. LHS equal to, under the square root, 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. And from this left hand side we have to prove that this side is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So let's see how we can reach up to this sec theta minus tan theta. Now wherever we see such kind of problems where a square root is present and we are having numerator and denominator wala form, so always we will take conjugate of the denominator and we will multiply to numerator and denominator by the conjugate of denominator. I will just simply tell you here what is conjugate. Here denominator is 1 plus sine theta. So its conjugate will be just with reverse sign, 1 minus sine theta. So by this 1 minus sine theta we are going to multiply this term in numerator as well as in denominator. This is the meaning of conjugate. So let's proceed with this multiplication by conjugate. It will be square root 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta into, we will multiply by the conjugate of this 1 plus sine theta. It will be 1 minus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta. By the same conjugate we will multiply with to numerator as well as to denominator. This is very crucial step in this problem. Now furthermore it will be, see, 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. It will be 1 minus sine theta whole square upon 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. It's like a plus b and a minus b. So its reduced form will be a square minus b square. That is, it will be 1 square minus sine square theta. Further, if we solve this, let's keep the numerator as it is first and let's evaluate the denominator. 1 minus sine theta, its square, upon 1 square means 1 and 1 minus sine square theta will be as it is. And we know that this 1 minus sine square theta, it is one of the trigonometric identity. So its answer will be cos square theta. So furthermore, let's shift to this side of the problem. Equal to, under the square root, 1 minus sine theta, its square, upon this 1 minus sine square theta. Its answer is cos square theta as per the trigonometric identity, cos square theta. Okay. So further we need to evaluate this term, and here you can see square and square root will get cancelled with each other. So simply we will write 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. Now the problem is very easy because we have eradicated the square root sign, which is most hectic thing in any kind of problems. So always try to eradicate the square root wali sign. So now the meaning, or we can split it like 1 upon cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta minus, and sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Just verify with the right hand side of problem, sec theta minus tan theta, and here also we have obtained sec theta minus tan theta, so we have achieved the right hand side of the problem. So LHS is equal to RHS, and these kind of problems will be asked in board exams for 3 marks. So this is very important sum. Similarly, different sums with different trigonometric quantities can be asked. Thank you.